Today we are talking about two superb secret tricks to make your WhatsApp account secure. Actually, we are talking about how to protect your WhatsApp app or WhatsApp your account from cyber attacks and also from hackers. If you want to make your WhatsApp protected, then these two settings are very important for you. So mustly enable these two features. First of all, come to your WhatsApp app, then from the home, click on top three bars, tap settings. All right, after clicking on settings here, you need to click on the first option, account. Click here, then you need to click on second option, passkeys. Click here, and you need to create a passkey on your WhatsApp account. By using passkey, you can log in your WhatsApp with your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. All right, your passkey is safely stored in your password manager. And now, guys, you need a second feature also enabled, and that is two-step verification. If you enabled and turned on these two features on your WhatsApp account, then your WhatsApp will be secured and no one can hack your WhatsApp account. I hope these two features and this short tutorial is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.